Hey there, welcome back to our Rev Games Academy. In our last video, we've seen about setting up audio source and assigning a background music file. Now it's time to fine-tune how the music behaves in our game. First, let's ensure that the music plays continuously throughout the game. To do this, select the audio source component in the inspector window. In the audio source settings, look for the loop option. By checking this option, we ensure that the background music will loop without stopping. Next, let's explore the Play on Awake option. This setting is typically used for background music or ambient sounds that should begin playing as soon as the game starts. If you prefer more control over when the audio begins, you can disable this option and use scripting to start the music when you choose. Now let's talk about adjusting the volume of the music. Select the volume slider in the audio source component. Here, you can set the music's volume to the right level, ensuring that it blends well with other sounds in your game. Another adjustment you can make is using the pitch slider. The pitch controls the tone and speed of your music. Altering the pitch can create different moods in your game. For example, lowering the pitch might make the music sound more serious or dramatic, while raising the pitch can give a lighter, more energetic feel. With those adjustments in place, it's time to add a bit more control to the music by using scripting. By scripting, you can dynamically change or stop the music at specific points in the game, such as when a new level starts or when the player pauses the game. To begin, first, let's create a folder to organize our scripts. In the Assets window, right-click, then select Create and choose Folder. Name this folder Scripts. Now that we have a folder for our scripts, let's create the C# script. Inside the newly created scripts folder, right-click and select Create, then choose C# script and name it as Music Manager. Now double-click on it to open it in your preferred code editor. Okay, let's walk through it. We start by declaring a public variable called audio source. This variable will reference the audio source component attached to the game object. By marking it as public, it becomes visible in the Unity inspector, making it easy for you to assign the audio source directly from the editor. In the start method, we call audiosource.play. This function will start playing the audio clip assigned to the audio source as soon as the scene begins. Once the script is ready, save it and return to Unity. You'll need to attach this script to a game object. Choose the game object that has the audio source and then drag the script onto it. Now, in the inspector window, you'll see the audio source field and the script component. Drag the audio source from the inspector into this field to connect the two. Now, when you press play in Unity, the music will play automatically at the start of the scene. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have complete control over the music in your game, making it more dynamic and immersive. With this setup, you now have full control over your background music, making sure it fits seamlessly into your game. Test it out, adjust the volume and pitch, and see how the music responds to different events. In the next video, we'll implement 3D spatial audio for our game. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Unity tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.